Jingle Glocks, jingle Glocks, fighting my way to the top. Jingle Glocks, brand new album, concert drops. Better make a living with all the donations given when I'm spitting like a Christian at Christmas. The time to get on the mic and I'm spitting. All the people with the fire is clubbing. Spitting on fire, it's a desire, a Briar. Ain't no liars, no some criers. And it's tired, it's just Snoop Dogg and Eminem wanna retire. Me and Kendrick the only ones left, we making the fire. Everybody knows that the woman is getting fires. Everybody know I got it just like Will Byers. Everybody know it, it's dropping on solar Kai's. Everybody know how I'm going with words like Luke Kaiser. Hey, said I wanna come down on a sleigh. Said I wanna come down like the hay. Hey kids. Christmas, go black, jingle Glocks, fighting my way to the top. Jingle Glocks, brand new album, constant drops. Hey, gonna make a living with all the fire I'm spitting and all the donations I'm giving. It's a desire, Briar, y'all, some cars and the liars and fire. Burn this up like it's rooftops, RuPaul, dry loot toss. Gotta get my Louis Vuittons, some weird, don't know. Move it out like U-Haul. Going hotter than a torch, y'all. Going hotter than a porch, y'all. Going hotter than a scorch, y'all. Everybody wanna scream for their life. Everybody wanna go for their cries. Everybody wanna go for their life. Cry, be alive. Beg for the mercy. I ain't getting turkey. I just know the Christmas. It's a little party. Person married. And I getting berries and prayers. Some berry, yo. Hey, gotta know. When I croak. When I joke. Yo. Nah, y'all don't wanna get this at all. Nah, you don't wanna get this a drop. No, you don't wanna go in the crop top. No, I just wanna get this pause. Okay, guys. Should I do a beat switch? I mean, I shouldn't do that every song, but like if I switch up the beat now, would it be better? I could. Yeah, guys, there's no other beats. I just checked. I mean, I can keep looking, but it don't look like there's really any other beats. Oh, what's this one? Man. I don't know, guys. I don't know, y'all. Sorry.